Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since we've been upstairs, so let's get started. We're changing the sheets today. We are disinfecting from a cold. Wyatt and I have been so sick over the past couple weeks, and it's just time to freshen everything up, clean it, and basically get our living space back to a healthy area again. So as you can see, I'm having a little bit of help making the bed with my cat. I don't know how he knows I'm making it, but every single time I get started on it, he comes up and tries to get underneath the covers. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shelby. I post motivational videos and mommy videos, and I'm really into decluttering and organizing right now, so there's a lot of purging going on in my house. If you're interested, make sure to check out my past videos. Next, we're just moving on to the side tables. I don't really use these for anything. I mean, like, there's some stuff on it, but my phone basically at night, and that's about it. So I'm just refreshing it and dusting it down. Next, I'm moving on to the shelving unit. I can't get over how dusty it got over the past couple weeks, but yeah, pretty dusty. So I'm going to be wiping everything down, wiping it down, and yeah, clearly needs it. Next is the cubic shelf. I have actually figured out what to do with it finally. I ended up putting a couple canvas baskets in there, and it holds all of Wyatt's blankets. I realize he has a ton of them, so I should probably go through those again soon. But he just uses them like every night to go to sleep, so I like to keep the big fluffy ones in there, and then I keep some receiving blankets along the side just because he still has some baby friends that come over. This probably is the most annoying thing to clean out though, that's for sure. So this is my new dresser. I don't know if you saw my last couple videos, but my dresser broke, so I had to get a new one, but I had that white one since I was like a baby. It was my nursery dresser, so I'm glad to say that it had lasted almost 30 years. Justin finally made his way to emptying out his closet, and of course made a mess of the closet that I just organized. Here I am trying to salvage it a little bit. I recently went back to work, and I needed to get all my scrubs back organized and ready to wear. I work in healthcare, so it's basically a must to wear these. Of course, we do get to wear the fancy, like funky ones, so I'm pretty glad about that. I would kind of hate to have to wear a solid one all the time, but I do like the patterns of these. Then it's on to Justin's side table. Again, just wiping these down. I clearly need to do laundry. is an old TV stand that we had. We don't really know what to do with it right now, so we just kind of use it at the top of the stairs, but we've got tons of space, so why not? So now that our main space is completely clean and tidy, I'm going to move on to Wyatt's nook. We're doing a complete bed change. I'm wiping down the whole area with Clorox. There was a lot of spilled milk on the bottom, so it took me a little while to scrub it off, but I'm just disinfecting everything in here. I'm actually thinking about redoing Wyatt's room into something different. I'm kind of over the wildlife fox theme that he's got going on right now. Let me know in the comments below if you'd be interested in me filming that. Wyatt got so many toys for his birthday, I've actually had to put a few away. It's a long stretch now until Christmas and his birthday again, so I thought maybe in the summer I'd pull those out for him. Now we're just moving on to a full vacuum of the place. I really hope you guys have been enjoying this declutter and organize series with me. I've really been enjoying filming them. I feel like my house is slowly but surely getting the way I want it. I feel better. My anxiety has been so much better. I'm not as stressed anymore. When you have less stuff, you really do live a better life. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe, put your notification bells on, and meet me in the comments below. I'm so excited to chat with you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.